Hi, want to know how to download Google Camera on your Realme 12X? So, first thing is that unfortunately this application isn't available in the standard Play Store. So, we would need to install it with the help of any search engine. So, to find it, firstly we would need to find the Google Camera in the search, and now scroll down and click on the first site, which is named GCam APK. So, click on it, and right here you'd be able to see a lot of ads and also the application. So here is it, Google Camera APK 9.6. Here we would need to scroll down. Here you can also read the description if you would like to know more about this application, until you'll find this button, blue button, download now. So let's click on it. Here, scroll down again and then find this blue button, Google Camera 9.6. So I'll click on it. Then here, as a next step, we would need to scroll down again. And here find this download link for the Realme phone. So click on it, and here we would need to download this 9.6919 download link on the right side. So let's click on it, and after this the downloading will start on your phone. I have downloaded this application before, so we don't have to wait. So let's get started. I'll click on it, and now you can see on your phone that unknown app is downloading. After this, you'll be able to see this notification, and now the app is named Camera. So here we would need to click install. And now we can see this notification which is saying that the Camera app is installed. So let's open it and take a look if it's working. Here we would need to allow camera to take pictures and record videos, so we click while using the app, and then also the same for the location and microphone, and also photos, videos. Here we would need to also enable this feature, allow access to manage all files, because if you would like to make photos, videos in this application, it would need to save the material somewhere, and this time it will be your device's storage. So let's finally open our application. And here is it how it looks. This is the Google Camera. That's all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.